Hojimoroiba Pau. Forest Minister T.S. Shyamkumar na umang kanana bathabak kaya paikalabasu mafam kayada u yanthatpadi leptre. Karamjare. ISTV Pau miyang tabi basing mutaram nokjare. Hojima pungiba Pau. Forest Minister T.S. Shyamkumar na umang kanana bathabak kaya paikalabasu mafam kayada u yanthatpadi leptre. Churachandpur District ki Manung Chanba Singhat Kendragi tongan ba mafam singda mai thananaba u kaya yanthatpagi thabak leptana chathare. Chingdagi u yanba thingnanaba Minister Shyamkumar yauna sarkar gi mari leinaba singna kanna honaduna mafam kayada naungna u pambi kaya thajinduna lamdam asigi ayinga sagi khal kaidanaba honarabasu singi mafam kayadadi madugi kanaba ipang phangdabagum tawre. Singhat Kendragi mafam singda Chingmai kaya koktoktuna nongmagi u yanduna mai thananaba oina yonbagi thabak miyoi kayana chathari hingnabagi lambi ama oina chatharakpana u yanthatpana amangba amadi kanaba adu makoina karisu khandana leptana adumak u yalaga lalolbagi thabak chathare mari leinaba department na media khakta lawbagi mahutta u yanduna hingnabagi lambi ama oiriba makoigi damak atopa santhok lambi ama piduna thabak paikatriba makhaidi appeal tawbana kanaba phangdre. Amaramda Technopol District ki Manung Chanba machi khol phauduna atopa mafam singdagi sauraba u pambi kaya yanthatuna leptana puthorakle masida sarkar gi mari leinaba singda kafam thokpa tax karibra haibadu makok thongba singna ngasi phawba yengsinba ngamdana leiri hare kanagumba kharanadi u puthorakliba singdagi chang naina tax khongupagi thabak leptana chatharakli hare. Forest Minister T.S. Shyamkumar na sahi amada forest ki revenue asi sahi da lupa crore chama yohangani haikiba adu mapung phana mai paknabagi damak singi manung hanjinba mafam singda niyom kaina u yanduna puthoragiba singdagi su tax khongutpa ngamlabadi minister na haikiba wafam adu thabakta laina onthokpada araiba oigani haina machi khulgi miyoi kharna phongdorakhe. Imphal amadi Imphal gi akoiba khaktada u yanba thingba amadi tax khongatpa khaktana forest ki revenue kahanba amadi Manipur gi ayinga sagi khal kahandana thamnaba honabada mai pakpa wagani haire. Clean India Mission campaign in the Medical College and Hospital its importance haibasida symposium competition ama ngasi RIMS ki Jubilee Hall da pangthokre. Thoramaduda Health Minister L. Jayantakumar, RIMS ki Director Professor A. Santa, Medical Superintendent Professor C. S. Arun Kumar na maru oiba mayor singoy na sarugyake. Minister Jayantakumar na thamoy seng na thabak tawraba matamda lu nan balamdam ama ohenba ngamgani lu nanana ba Bharat Sarkar amadi Manipur Sarkar na sel yamna thadarabasu isa na gyan tadrabadi kanaba purakpak ngamloy haike.
Lari kaiba kangbu singna phata hobby sing je sogalam thoe Lari kaiba kangbu singna phata hobby sing je sogalam thoe ka diki chawle to phatlam thoe na daga katukan torne ko langtho me to lari kai to kangbu municipal area de level lari to kangbu sing madagi kejuri anda daga kan bastar role le kangbu lari to kangbu do maju na khomjil laga lari kaiba kangbu bo mi je khomjil la puri 10 pin thate itu lari kai mani pa de wakil mun khan bo da kan ma mun ne yeng khalang ma ikai ne ko but si karam ikai kan de khangi brana de khang de brana hai sine the real civic sense citizen namada leibam to bakri ki madu sense to mon yaw ni to yaw de brana hai sine now see it becomes quite questionable hangbi am khe pot or pai ta but lu ban na bi to no ho no kan de nang kai do ba ta ki na hai se sini ai ki ko ta injector ga do makal ki the message ko madugi potri luban nan mo na pagan da ai ke do ta gen ha yot ne but to the city sincerity se na se toxin na ta ba asan wi luban na ba pam da ga le
Mahiroi Tara Nipalna Sarug Yaduna Pangtokiba Symposium Competition Ge Thoramaduda RIMS ki Director Professor A. Santana Manipur da su miyamna dustbin sizinabagi hainabi mapung phana leiraba matamda lu nan balamdam ama ohenba ngamgani haike.
7 Pay Commission. We have decided to release the 7 Pay Commission from today onwards. That's we have taken a meeting and at least RIMS staff should be enjoyed. At least from this our economy, at least salary should be on time, and we should get whatever they deserve, and whatever the other colleague is getting in the other central government institute. This may be in the process. MS may not be aware of that because that meeting I had announced, and suddenly now I remember it. So at least we can try to implement for senior citizen. So whenever they come, instead of white color like this, we can make it a little bit blue color. So whenever they carry the blue color, we'll know that they are senior citizens. So doctor can take more priority on that.
Ayush Care Wellness Center ama Sagolbal Moirang Lerak Nepra Menzorda Hangdukre. Hangdokpagi Thormaduda Ayush ki Director Dr. Eguneshwar Sharma, Hanagi MLA Dr. K.S. Loken, Ayush ki Additional Director Dr. M. Shamjai, Amadi Dr. Y. Lukhoina, Maru Oiba Mursingwena Sarugyake. Director Dr. Eguneshwar Sharmana, Manipuri Lairiba Hospital Singda Ayush ki Oina Pamung Tara Leire, Masida Natana Ayush ki Medical College Amasu Sanana Bohonari, Ayush lying asi Paisa Sangdaba Amadi side effect laitaba lying Amani Haike. Dr. K.S. Lokena, Asigumba Center Ama Sagolbal Kendra da Hangdupasina, Kendra Sigimiam da Town Kanaba Piragani Haike. Prithvi ke hauzik honglakliba phibam asi yenglaga Manipur dasu relief and disaster management asi mapangal kangkharanba mathau tare haina Manipur gi DGP LM Khautena ngasi ahanba Manipur Rifles ki banquet hall da pangthokpa police personnel singi oiba disaster management training hawdokpagi thoramda haikre thoramatuda relief and disaster management ke principal secretary M H Khan, under secretary Bidyarani, staff officer training Mohammed Ayub Khan, Imphal West ki SP Temting Yauna ate official kya su sarukya ke DGP LM Khautena makhatana haikibada Manipur dasu matamga sunaba khuchu khulai amadi man power ningthina thambatangai phadre police personnel kharadi relief and disaster management ta leijage haiba fawba yaure haike
others mayamna adugi process of human civilization je phajana yengagadi kayarak civilization si main challenges mayam se kanayam le external challenges aduga natural sigumba challenges mayam in the form of disasters aduga calamities emergencies mayam se thiengna duna laabane
Manipur Lairiba College, Higher Secondary, High School, Amadi Teachers Education Institute Tagi, Kangalaba Principal, Headmaster Amadi, Headmistress Singi Oiba Consultative Meet Ama, Thasiki Tang Maridagi, Lamfilda Leba SCRT Training Hall that Tatarpa Adu Nasilushin Cray. Luisin Bagi Thoramda SCRT Joint Director Jim Thinguzam, Project Officer Ratan Kumar Amadi, Lecturer Rajeshwar Sharma, Amadi Dr. Nandinina Maru Oiba Mursing Oina Sarugyake. Joint Director Jim Thinguzam na haikibada ing solusingani taramapalgi Mars tha fawbagi mamangda oza sing train ta hodrabade thabak tawba yadabagi phibamda lakadawna thaurang asi lokatpani haike
NIOS ki through the oza sing che yoin train torak pataba hairiba NIOS ki train tawnaba torak pasida akoi center 259 centers identified tawjare identified center tawriba mayam se gi head mayam se akoina nahan indukaba dei hojaraga ngarang ne nahan ne ngasi ne pulap pulaga mogi head haitare principals kumba mogi head of institution mayam se kauraga masi tawduriba program se karino kamain tawgadobno masina kanaba karino haibado masigi akoi consultative mesida akoi goina mathang pangthok jarakpani
ing solusingani kunmanga fawbada Manipur dagi TV laina mapung phana muthatpa ngamlagani haina State TV Officer Y. Gopal Krishna na ngasi Manipur Press Club ta pangthokpa pamusinga unavada phongdokre magna makhatana haikibada ahum suba face oina khungang amasung lambi gi khudong sadaba mafam singda leiriba yum singda losinduna thamliba anaba singbu fahanaba pandam thamle khongthang asi mapung phana miyamna support tawbirabadi ing solusingani kunmanga fawbagi manungda leina asi mapung phana muthatpa ngamgani haike
Smile Piragadi, hidden labor tuberculosis management, Lona detect or treatment or spread of the Handaragadi with the control level. NTD by 2025, she dreams Carmina realized over Yakadagi, Hydrosiki Matanga, when a category action, Lapa facility like again, like Hyperdo, she may have come in Aragada, TVC.
Sanamahi lining amadi umanglai harauba asibu UNESCO na masak khangpham thoi haina Southeast Asia Cultural Organization na thadorpa cherol amana khangalakle masigi matangda Southeast Asia Cultural Organization na honaragani Sanamahi lining amadi umanglai harauba asibu thoi na mieng changdraga ngarang nahangi oiba anoba posak na UNESCO gi Intangible Cultural Heritage of Humanity da yaukiba amadi manung chankhiba asi yafam thokte Furu kudingmak na kundaba lamdam asida tongan ba furup singidamak not sankritan na mahut sinba yagadra hanglakle. Hauzi aten ba brem tung lobjere.
Jolip 100% natural syrup amasung capsule yu thakpadagi oirakpa awaba chaitheng hakjangi liver soklakpadagi kuchu sengaktaba haksang soktharakpa tumba chaba yaraktaba khong hamba nungaraktaba singbu phanba ngamba amata ngairaba upaidi Jolip syrup amasung capsule diabetes singidamakta Jolip capsule chabiyu.
Panacea Coaching Center, the best and only trusted coaching center in Impal.
Panacea Coaching Center gi oja singna exam gi sem saba matamda support tawbiki amasung mateng yamna pangbiki. Exam tips, regular mock tests, suggestions amasung study materials sing yamna janaki. Class 10 thagadaba singna makok thongba oina bagidamaktadi Panacea singna amata ngaraba coaching center ni. Miyamna center sida thajaba thampi.
Manipur miyam gi nungairaba pau Sky Hospital da world class international cardiology ki khudong chaba lejare operation tokdina device na heart ki ahoba memba Sky Hospital la sai ani gi mamang dagi mai pa na pakthukna lakni RBS ki amsung Sky Hospital ki kusam naraga labiba December ki tang 13 ta angang singbu device na heart ki ahoba memba ki operation pakthuk sagani OT amsung hospital charge free oigani akupa marul gi damak Sky Hospital gi reception ga tanabiu
India gi ahanba National Awardee Government of India na piba Silver Dew. Makhal suna lejare half liter, 750 ml, 1 liter, 2 liter, 5 liter and 20 liter jar. As an distributor amadi akupa marol Loktak Industry, Industrial State, Takiel da contact to view.
Break matung na mayam taram nokchare makata pa pauda Wangu Gram Panchayat ki Gram Sabha Mifam ngasi kumbi kendra gi manung chanba Wangu me lekai mandop tapang thukre ngasi Gram Sabha Mifam adu da kumbi kendra gi MLAS Bira Wangu Gram Panchayat ki Pradhan Amom Bina Moirang CD Block ki BDO ke Jadumani Wangu Gram Panchayat ki Ward Member amadi Department ki maru oiba me kya susarukya ke ngasi Gram Sabha Mifam adu da MGNRGA 2018-19 gi level budget semba 14 Finance Commission gi work program semba State Finance Commission amadi sanitation ki matangda khana naina ke Hornbill Festival gamari lainana pangthokpa khoi chopagi festival da Manipur Angling Association na winner oire hari Mission gi khoida khodam sana tombana first taduna lupalising kuntra amadi Paul Stickta Moirangthem Rex na first taduna lupalising taragi mana fangkre Ngarang November gi tang manga da chajing mamang lekai da leiba nursery farm amada mioi kharana Thang na thinduna hatlaga hundok lamba khangaboktagi elangwam shamogi mihat yaningdaba phongdoktuna khangabokta miyamna ngasi ayupung nipandagi Imphal More lambi matam khara thingjilure tungda Thawalgi SP ke Megasandraga khongjang changshiliba singa wari sanabadagi nungthilgi pung ama makhaidagi lambi thingbagi khongjang handokre UNC na Sinduna Ukrul District ki manung chanba Ramrai Village da Advent Christmas ki thauram pangthokre Thoram adu da UNC Press and Guidon Kamai General Secretary Milal Atai Thaupuba Singh Naga Women's Union gi President Asha Ansam gi Thaupuba Singh Naga Tribe Taratarukki Union gi Lusingba Singh Sangsatta Laiba Taratare Subasang Rifles ki CEO Naga Political Forum gi Convener Hanagi MLA VD Bering Yauna Tongan ba Miri Singh amadi Imphal da Phongba Pause Kayagi Editor amadi Paumi Singh Susarukya ke Guidon Kamay na hakibada mamang sahida economic blockade na maram oiduna Christmas ki thoram pangthukpangam khidre handaki Christmas asina ing tappa nungayai phaba lamdam ama oirasanu haike
Let me know say akoi punamaki ithoni sinba advent Christmas yawa lapi ba punamapu ibungo isol mahak aduna Prince of Peace adugi hawai asenguna mayamgi wakanda mayamgi punsira anawa dumba peace leba anawa dumba Yamna Inta Taptava, Leva, Amakap, Wavam Nava, Society Makap, Wavam Margi, blazing at all, Pina Vishnu had a higher Agi species, Thank you once again.
Kuntaruk Suba Assam Rifles na Kaitel Manbi Sector IZ Assam Rifles South ki Makada Sadbhavna Game ama ngasi Yairi Poki Angtha Village da Pangthukre Thoramadu da Kuntaruk Suba Assam Rifles ki Commandant Colonel C Bidya Dharna Nupi Singhi Organization Singda Automatic Swing Mission Taruk Yenthukre Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited ki Masagi Oiba Subsidiary Complex sama Oiriba Panthoibi Microfin gi Taranitoi Suba Branch Office sama ngasi hongnabi matungina company asigi Chairman amasung Managing Director su Oiriba Thokchom Hemona Singmairong da hangdokre Thoranga mari leinana Managing Director TS Hemona haikibada branch asina akoibagi miyam da chauna kanaba piragani customer singna loan lauraga singbagi hainabi thambiduna punna chawkhat minase company asina subsidy yauna home loan ki khudong chaba kaya su pigani haike Sarkar na education system da lairaba mahiroi kayabu mai masing tamna ba laukalagliba khongthang ase hiram kharadadi chauna hoba leirabra haina m suna thadorpa cherol amana khangalakle class 10 amasung 12 ki form fill up ki hengalakliba fee asi mamang sahi gi yengnabada angakpa phangna maram chadana hengalakle fee hengatpagi maram leibak miyam da mayek sengna khangangadabani private school singnasu parikha gi form fill up ki fee ka hena wangkhatna loba yaroi iramasigi matang da mari leinaba minister amade education department na miyeng sangbaga luinana form fill up ki fee hengalakliba si lairaba praja miyam amade mairoi singi khallaga hantha hanaba anoba khongthang sing laukhatnaba m suna mari leinaba singda appeal tawrakle Hauzi maroi bapau Forest Minister TS Shamkumar na umang kanana ba thabak kaya paikalabasu mafam kaya da u yanthatpadi leptre Hauzi phawagi oina dia Steve na pizza pau matang solution jare mieng tabiri basingom kahanna khurum jare